Hey and welcome into today's new video. Today I'm sharing a restaurant style Palak Chicken, one of my favorite Indian recipes. My name is Mr. Ram. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and on my YouTube channel I only share recipe to help you guys build muscles and lose body fat, and I show you how you can keep enjoying the food that you love while you're trying to reach your health and wellness goal. This recipe is one of my Indian recipes that I'm sharing today. So it's just chicken, spinach and spices. All the ingredients will be on the description box below. You also get my free guide that I made to show you guys how to build a healthy plate. You get my coaching programs and all my books and ebooks. So please don't forget to go and check the description box below. And if you do like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with my Palak Chicken recipe that I make with a marinated juicy chicken. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the next video I will be sharing how did I make this low carb naan bread. This recipe I'm gonna start with the chicken. So I use some chicken tenderloin since I don't like chicken breast, and I add 2 to 3 teaspoons of full fat yogurt. And now I'm adding my seasoning. I'm adding some butter chicken seasoning, some ground cumin, some paprika, but you can use any kind of seasoning you want. I just have a lot of seasoning and I love when my Indian plates are full of seasoning. So I'm also adding some ground coriander, some cayenne pepper, but that's optional for people who don't like spicy food. You can forget about the cayenne pepper. And I'm adding some turmeric, and I end with some salt and some pepper. I mix everything well with a spoon. Make sure the seasoning, the yogurts are well incorporated into my chicken. And I got a little bit distracted, so I forgot to cut my chicken. So I just take a scissors, my kitchen scissor, and I'm just gonna cut my chicken really quick. So please cut your chicken in advance. Please don't do like me. And then the chicken is I'm just gonna leave the chicken to marinate for minimum 30 minutes, but 2 hours or overnight is the best. In oven iron dish plate, I'm adding some water to boil. Once my water is boiled, I'm adding my spinach. So I use 1 pound of spinach. I mix everything, the spinach with the water. And while my spinach is boiling, I'm cutting up my veggies. So I'm starting by dicing my onions. Then I'm gonna dice my tomatoes. And I'm just gonna dice 3 garlic cloves. And that's optional, but I also add some hot pepper. I love spicy food, so if you don't like spicy food, please don't choose it. Now my spinach is boiled and cooked. Put my spinach into a bowl. And with my hand blender, I'm just gonna blend the spinach. And once it's blended, this is how it looks like. Smooth, creamy spinach. And I'm just gonna keep it aside. In my pan, I'm gonna melt 3 teaspoons of tallow. And then I'm gonna add my chicken to just fry my chicken. I just make sure the chicken is well absorbed by the fat that I just put. and then I'm gonna come back several times to just flip it over, turn it to make sure all the sides of my chicken are well cooked. One by one, I just turn them over. Once my chicken is fully cooked, I'm just gonna put it in a different bowl, and I'm just gonna keep it aside. And in the pan where I just cooked my chicken, I'm adding my onions. I mix everything well, make sure the onions are cooked. And once I did cook my onions, and my onions is translucent, I'm adding my garlic and hot pepper, and I mix them well to combine everything. And now it's gonna be time to add our seasonings. So I'm adding some tikka, masala, curry blend seasoning. I'm adding some ground coriander, but you use any kind of spice you have. I had turmeric, I had some garam masala, and some ground cumin, salt, and I'm gonna crack some pepper on top. And I mix all the veggies and the spices together. Now it's time to add our tomatoes. I'm adding all my tomato that I previously chopped, and I'm adding my cooked chicken. Mix everything well, and this plate already smells and looks so good, full of flavor. So now I'm adding my puree spinach. I mix everything well, and then I'm just gonna let it simmer for 7 to 10 minutes, and after 7-10 minutes our dish is fully cooked and ready to be enjoyed. So I'm just gonna add a little bit into a plate. It smells so good, full of colors, full of spices. I like to enjoy this plate with my low carb naan bread. The recipe is coming really soon. Here is the final result. This is the end of this flavorful, spicy and delicious recipe. I'm so happy to share that with you guys. You use any kind of spice you want. You don't need to use the same spice as I did. Just do with what you have at home. If you don't like it hot, don't use any kind of pepper or cayenne pepper. The spinach, I use 1 pound of spinach and around 500 grams of chicken. So I use for 4 to 6 services, and I also eat that with my naan bread recipe that's coming right after this video. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. All the ingredients will be on the description box below. You also get my ebooks programs, my book, my coaching programs, and my free guide to help you guys build a healthy plate. So don't forget to go and check. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope to see you guys again for a next recipe. Bye.